Is your Duolingo app melting? Do you want to know how to change the Duolingo app icon on Android? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Why your Duolingo app icon might be melting? There are several reasons why your Duolingo app icon might be melting. 1. Software glitch. Sometimes software glitches can cause app icons to appear distorted or melted. This is usually a temporary issue and should resolve itself with an app update or device restart. 2. Heat damage. If your phone has been exposed to excessive heat, it could damage the internal components including the display. This can manifest as distorted or melted app icons. 3. Third-party app conflict. In some cases, installing a third-party app that conflicts with Duolingo can cause the app icon to be affected. Method 1. The first thing you can do to fix any temporary bugs or errors is to restart your device. So restart your phone and check if the Duolingo app is okay now. Method 2. Updates often include bug fixes that may resolve the icon issue. So go to Play Store and search for Duolingo. If you see any update button beside the Duolingo app, download and install the updates. Method 3. Clearing the app's cache and data can sometimes resolve issues caused by corrupted data. The steps may vary from device to device, but here are the basic steps to clear Duolingo app cache. Press and hold the Duolingo app from your phone application launcher. Select App Info. Next, tap on Storage and tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom. Method 4. If you subscribe to Super Duolingo or Duolingo Max, you can get rid of the melting Duolingo app and replace it with a Super or Max themed one instead. From the Duolingo app home screen, tap on the blue hexagonal icon at the top. Subscribe to an offered pack offered and see if this helps. Method 5. If none of the above solutions work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Duolingo app. This will ensure you have the latest version and remove any corrupted files. Tap and hold the Duolingo app from the app screen and select the uninstall option. Confirm your action. Then reinstall the app from Play Store and see if this could fix the issue. Method 6. If you have tried all the above solutions and the problem persists, you can contact Duolingo support for further assistance. Type your question and follow the instructions provided to the support team to fix the issue. How do you change the Duolingo app icon on Android? Method 1. Not all versions of the Duolingo app or Android allow changing the app icon directly. Here are the basic steps to do that. Open the Duolingo app. Go to Settings. Look for the option to App icon. Select a new icon from the available options. Method 2. Install a launcher app like Microsoft Launcher. Open the Launcher app, then press and hold on an app. Tap on the arrow from the options. Tap on Edit Icon option. Choose a new icon. You can download an icon pack or tap on Open an icon pack to choose from the icons provided by the launcher. Your icon will be changed. Method 3. You can also use a third-party app icon changer to change the Duolingo icon. For this, you can download the app from the Play Store and then change the Duolingo app icon. And there you have it, the methods to fix the problem when your Duolingo app melts. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.